And this one is the same plant as this one. Sama je, the same plant. Okay? Alright, classify V and W into right groups. Okay, ada tumbuhan berbunga, tumbuhan tidak berbunga. Come on, this one is super easy. Which one is flowering plant? Yang mana satu non-flowering plant? Tumbuhan berbunga is? Correct. Non-flowering plant, tumbuhan tidak berbunga adalah W. Okay, so easy. Okay, that is not the easy part. I mean, that is not the not easy part. This one is the not easy part. Okay, tumbuhan V membiak melalui biji benih. Manakala tumbuhan W membiak melalui spora. Is it true? Plant V produce through seeds, while plant W produce through spores. Betul ke? V adalah biji benih and W adalah spora. Is it right? Is it true? True. Correct. Betul. This one is true, huh? Okay, next. Both plant V and W are vascular plant. Okay. Kedua-dua tumbuhan V and W merupakan tumbuhan vascular. Betul ke? Is it tumbuhan vascular? Is it correct? Tumbuhan vascular? Plant W dengan V. Tumbuhan V dengan W adalah tumbuhan vascular. Betul ke tumbuhan vascular? Okay, apa itu tumbuhan vascular first of all? Before we answer the question, apa maksud tumbuhan vascular? What is a vascular plant? Apa maksud tumbuhan vascular? What is it? Apa maksud tumbuhan vascular? Okay. Other students also? Tak tahu Okay. Vascular means tumbuhan yang mempunyai tisu pengangkutan khas. Okay, tisu pengangkutan khas, which is a very special transport system, transport tissue. Special transport tissue. Do you guys still remember xylem dan phloem? Ingat lagi tak? Xylem, phloem. Pernah belajar tak? Have you guys learned xylem and phloem? Ada? Tak ada? Pernah kan? Xylem adalah untuk mengangkut air, phloem adalah untuk mengangkut makanan. Tumbuh-tumbuhan pun memerlukan air dan makanan, correct? So xylem ini, this one, xylem adalah untuk air, water, and phloem, in English got P, phloem adalah untuk makanan, food. Okay, so they are saying tumbuhan V dan tumbuhan W, both of this adalah tumbuhan yang mempunyai sistem pengangkutan yang khas, a very special transport system. Betul ke? Is it true? Is it true that they have a special transport system? Is it true? Actually, it's false. Salah. You know why? Because normally vascular plants ni, tumbuhan-tumbuhan vascular ni, dia mempunyai akar, batang, and also daun. Okay, they are supposed to have roots, stems, and also leaf. So ini adalah tumbuhan vascular, not this one, not really this one. Okay, ini adalah tumbuhan vascular, bukan this one. Ini bukan tumbuhan vascular. Okay, now plant V is a monocotyledon because it has a seed with only one cotyledon. Ini adalah monocotyledon. Is it correct? Is it true this one is monocotyledon? Is it true this is a monocotyledon? Monocotyledon. No, this one is false. Remember, teacher mentioned yesterday, not here. Over here. Monocotyledon, the one with one cotyledon, yang saya hanya ada satu cotyledon, adalah tumbuh-tumbuhan like padi, jagung, gandum, and so on. Two cotyledons, dua cotyledon adalah tumbuh-tumbuhan seperti pokok bunga, pokok mangga, things like that. So, ini adalah, this one is a sunflower, pokok bunga matahari. So, this one is two cotyledon, not single cotyledon. Okay, so of course, this one salah. Okay, alright. Both plants V and W have woody stems, batang berkayu. Adakah ini betul? This one, woody stem. Betul ke? Correct? Salah. Right. Okay. Check your answers. Take a picture if you need to. Teacher will forward it as well. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, this one we skip. I'm not going to do the dichotomous key, but I'm going to do this part. Bahagian ini pula. Sekumpulan pelajar telah mengumpulkan beberapa jenis haiwan bagi memerhatikan perbezaan ciri. Okay, rajah 6 menunjukkan haiwan-haiwan yang dikumpulkan. So, a group of students, they have collected these animals to observe the differences in their characteristics. Memerhatikan perbezaan ciri. So, list the characteristic of animals in diagram 6. So, you have 3 marks here. Come, everyone, list down all the characteristics that you can find for animals in diagram 6. Sedara kan? Teacher want to see now? Characteristic. Characteristic, student by supposed to know apakah ciri-ciri. What are the ciri-ciri? List down now. Here in the chat, I'd like to see. Sama? Invertebrate lagi? Lagi. Not, tak semestinya all of them supposed to have the same ciri-ciri, ya. You can give me one by one. Satu persatu pun okay. What else you have? Takkan invertebrate je. Apa lagi? Apa lagi ciri-ciri? Mempunyai badan bersegmen, nice. Betul? Badan bersegmen, segmented body, sama? Lagi? Mempunyai kulit keras. Kulit keras. Sharwin, the term kulit keras, is it correct? Think about it. Kulit keras. I don't think so it's right. Badan bersegmen ada, badan tidak bersegmen ada, without segmented body. Ini semua adalah ciri-ciri but make sure it is related to the picture. With legs ada, berkaki, without legs pun ada, tanpa kaki. Mempunyai 3 pasang kaki, mempunyai lebih daripada 3 pasang kaki. All these are ciri-ciri. Okay, so anytime in the question they ask for ciri-ciri, talk about this. Okay, talk about this. Talk about badan bersegmen ataupun tidak bersegmen. That's number 1. Talk about ada kaki ataupun tidak berkaki. Itu nombor 2. Talk about how many legs. Biasanya you need to write mempunyai 3 pasang kaki or mempunyai lebih daripada 3 pasang kaki. 3 pasang kaki or mempunyai lebih daripada 3 pasang kaki. Okay, all these are the ciri-ciri. Ada students mention to me, have fur lah, berkepak lah. No, that is not the ciri-ciri we are looking at here. Okay? Sudah? Can teacher move on to the next one? A little bit harder question. Okay. Okay, this one not so important. Come. Look at this question. Okay, not sure if students can see the picture or not. Ini adalah the entrance of Taman Eco Rimba KL. Okay, hutan simpan Bukit Nanas. Itu je. It's just the entrance. Taman Eco Rimba KL, hutan simpan Bukit Nanas. Just write it down. Nampak tak? Okay, better. Okay, just write it down. So, Rajah 7 menunjukkan salah satu langkah pemeliharaan biodiversity. Biodiversity conservation. Satu langkah untuk pemeliharaan, which is to have a hutan simpan. Okay, contoh hutan simpan. Okay, now, right, true or false? This method preserve the species within their natural habitat. Langkah ini mengekalkan spesies di habitat asal. Is it true? Is it true? Exactly. This one is true. Okay, ini adalah betul because the whole purpose of having hutan simpan, the hutan simpan is because you want to keep the animals live in the habitat asal, in the original habitat. Okay. Alright, this method preserve the species outside of their natural habitat. Betul ke? Is it true? Okay, salah. Hutan simpan is not outside the natural habitat. Zoo adalah di luar habitat asal. Okay, kalau gambar ini adalah gambar zoo, then this statement is correct. Kalau, if that gambar is a picture of zoo, then this statement is correct. But this one is hutan simpan. So hutan simpan means we exactly make that hutan like the habitat of the animal. Okay, kita takkan tukarkan apa-apa. But zoo, kita akan keluarkan the animal from daripada habitat asal and then kita simpan dekat tempat lain. Okay, that is different. Okay, now here. Explain the two other methods that can maintain and conserve biodiversity. Okay, this one, kita ada banyak cara. Method to maintain and conserve biodiversity. Kaedah lain yang dapat memelihara dan memulihara biodiversity. So, I want all of you to list down kaedah-kaedah yang you all remember. All of you can remember. What are the kaedahs that all of you can remember? Ada 4 markah wait students, pay attention to markah ni. I just notice 4 markah. Kalau 4 markah, what are they asking you to do? They are only asking you to give 2 method. Tapi markah 4. So apa yang kita kena buat? Dia suruh kita hanya bagi 2 kaedah, but markah 4, what are we supposed to do? Betul. So we are supposed to give the kaedah. Okay, we are supposed to give the method and explain. Then you will get 4 markah. So, if you give me law enforcement, what is the law enforcement? And explain to me why. What is it supposed to do? Everyone, try now. I want to see at least one answer. 2 kaedah. Each one of you give me one and huraikan as well. Try. Think about it and try. Mengharamkan pembunuhan dan pemerdagangan haiwan dan tumbuhan yang endemik dan terancam melalui Akta Perlindungan Hidupan Luar. Hidupan luar pula, hidupan liar. Mengharamkan pembunuhan dan pemerdagangan haiwan. Sama. I got only one. Lagi? Syarah, you wait Teacher will betulkan sikit. There is something that you need to add on there. But just hold on to that answer. I will come back to you. Others, the boys? Penguatkuasaan undang-undang yang tegas untuk melindungi flora daripada aktiviti haram. Kerajaan perlu menguatkuasakan undang-undang yang tegas untuk melindungi flora dan fauna daripada aktiviti haram seperti pemburuan dan pembalakan. Okay, I will wait for one more. One last one. Mendidik masyarakat tentang percaya supaya mereka lebih bertanggung jawab. Okay, alright. I got almost all the answer. Student, pelajar kena faham kaedah, method, huraian, explanation, and some of you are giving me example, contoh. Okay, so untuk mendapatkan 4 markah, right? Kaedah, teacher want kaedah and also the explanation. Let's say student give me contoh. Kaedah and contoh, these two, right? This is not what they want. So you still get 1 mark only. Pelajar still akan dapat 1 markah saja because they assume you're only giving me the contoh, the kaedah. Okay, you are not exactly explaining the answer. You are not exactly huraikan the answer for me. So, teacher, how am I supposed to huraikan the answer? Teacher, give you one example. Okay, one of the contoh is menjalankan program pembiakan seperti tapak semaian anak dalam benih. Okay. Until here, teacher dapat 1 markah ke 2 markah? Ini 1 markah ke 2 markah? All of you. 1 ke 2? 1. Why? Why I'm only getting 1 mark? Bukan ke teacher already give the answer, explain some more, seperti apa and so on. Kenapa teacher dapat 1 markah je? Seperti tapak semaian anak-anak benih. Yang ni bukan huraian ke? Isn't this huraian? Or no? This one. Adakah ini huraian? Betul. Ini adalah contoh. Ini bukan huraian. So, exactly what you said is correct. Teacher will only get 1 mark for this answer. Why? I am only giving the kaedah. Okay, I'm only giving the kaedah with a contoh. Okay, but contoh is not the end question 1. They want the huraian. So, macam mana? How to huraikan this explanation, teacher? Untuk membantu penghutanan semula. Ini adalah huraian. This is my huraian. Okay? So, that means you give me the answer, pelajar kena bagi jawapan and tell me untuk apa? What for? That is your huraian. So, contohnya, just now I received 3 kan? Teacher received 3 answers. If you guys can, scroll up and see. The pendidikan and kesedaran masyarakat. Mendidik masyarakat tentang kepentingan biodiversity. That is the kaedah. Supaya mereka lebih bertanggungjawab dalam menjaga alam sekitar dan tidak merosakkannya. That is huraian. Okay? Penguatkuasaan undang-undang. Kerajaan perlu menguatkuasakan undang-undang yang tegas. That is my kaedah. Untuk melindungi flora dan fauna daripada aktiviti haram seperti pemburuan dan pembalakan. That is my huraian. Okay? Okay, go up a little bit. Mengharamkan pembunuhan atau pemerdagangan haiwan dan tumbuhan yang endemik dan terancam melalui Akta Perlindungan Hidupan Liar. Ini adalah huraian pula, kaedah sahaja. Okay, this is only the method. So, Syaura, add on satu lagi ayat, the huraian part. Supaya what? Untuk what? Okay, so you can add on by saying bagi mengelakkan kepupusan haiwan dan tumbuhan yang terancam. Also can. Okay, you add on that one last sentence dekat belakang. Understand? Pelajar faham? How to answer the questions? Can The rest can So teacher is only going to give you one example. The rest, I want you guys to do it on your own. Okay, do it on your own. Okay, let me give you this. Okay, all right, come, let's move on. If I'm not mistaken, this should be, no. Okay, once again, the picture is not so clear, but I will let you know what picture is this. Okay, gambar pertama, this is a gambar of zoo. Okay, this is actually giraffe, and here are some people tengah berdiri, tengah bagi makan untuk the giraffe. Okay, ini adalah zoo. Okay, gambar kedua, the langkah kedua, method number 2, this one is Taman Negara, National Park, and yeah, this one is Taman Negara. Okay. Okay, ada dua langkah Alright, now, how method 1 helps in maintaining biodiversity? Bagaimana zoo membantu mengekalkan biodiversity? How? Zoo. Taman Negara still okay lagi. You still can, give me some answer. But how zoo helps in maintaining biodiversity? Kita ambil all the animals, segala jenis haiwan, kita letak dia dalam zoo. How are we helping them to mengekalkan biodiversity? Think about it. How? Think what you can do kalau kita ada haiwan-haiwan tersebut di dalam zoo. Apa yang kita boleh bagi dia? Think and tell me. The animals would be safe from poachers. Only safety? What else we can give? Apa lagi kita boleh bagi? Apart from keselamatan. Melindungi habitat sebelum jadi Namin, zoo is habitat semula jadi meh? Zoo is not a habitat semula jadi. So we cannot talk about habitat for method number 1. Kalau you all been to zoo before, right? Okay, you all been to zoo before. So in the zoo, apa yang kita boleh bagi pada haiwan tu? What we can provide them? Food. Lagi? Just now, I think, who was that? Sarvish told me. 1. Safety. Exactly. So, melalui langkah pertama, langkah 1, kita boleh memastikan haiwan mendapat makanan dan keselamatan. That is the only way zoo can contribute. Itu je. That's the only thing zoo can contribute. Makanan. That means haiwan tersebut, it doesn't have to go out to memburu. It doesn't have to go out to hunt. Okay? Because every day, on a timely manner, exactly on that time, we can provide them food. Okay? So we can keep them healthy. And we are keeping them safely inside the zoo. Alright? So, bagaimana langkah satu membantu mengekalkan biodiversity? Memastikan memastikan haiwan mendapat apa? Makanan dan keselamatan yang cukup. Okay? Food and safety. Ensure the animals get enough food and safety. Okay. Dapatlah satu markah. Okay? Alright. Now, what is the difference antara langkah satu dan langkah dua? Apa perbezaan langkah satu dan langkah dua? What is the difference between langkah satu and langkah dua? Think about it. Langkah satu, where are the animals and what are we doing to them? And langkah dua, di manakah haiwan-haiwan tersebut and what are we doing them? Method 1 is not the animal's natural habitat. Okay. That's all? That's the answer, Sarvish? Only satu je? Only one? Are we giving only one? And then we give food and safety. That's all? Sarvish?
You have right.
Yeah. Now you are regretting giving me the answer, right? Sarvish? Okay, think about it. They are asking you for the difference. Okay, the soalan asking for perbezaan langkah satu dengan langkah dua. Langkah satu and dua. So you need to talk about both. You're only giving me one. Okay, talk about both. Kesian method number 2. Nobody is talking about the picture. Okay, so what you do? Langkah satu, memelihara haiwan di luar habitat asalnya. Okey, manakala langkah 2 memelihara haiwan di habitat asal. That's all. So, you already compared langkah 1 and also langkah 2. Okay, the comparison is already done. No need to write so long. Make sure, pelajar, make it a habit to always refer to the marks. Then only you know how much you need to write. Or else you will start writing something not related. Refer to the marks. If they give you 2 marks, that means they are asking you to compare langkah 1 dapat 1 markah, langkah 2 dapat 1 lagi markah. So, you'll get 2 markah. Langkah 1 dalam situ di luar itu semua jadi can Naveen can, of course can. Okay, students doing in DLP. Okay, method number 1 conserves animals outside their natural habitat. While method 2 conserves animals inside their natural habitats. That's all. Just like that, you get 2 marks. Okay? Alright. Look at C. Tandakan betul pada aktiviti yang boleh memusnahkan atau menjejaskan biodiversity. So, what are the activities that can affect or destroy biodiversity? Which one is it? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, dan 3. Which one is it? Dua je? Only this one? 3. Alright. Again, remember, check the marks. Okay, check the marks. 2 markah, 2 jawapan. Okay? Alright. This section, the last question. Okay. This one. The Malayan tiger has been classified as an endangered species and is protected under the Wildlife Conservation Act 2010. Which of the methods, 1 or 2, can help control the Malayan tiger population? Justify your choice. Okay, student, if you are having a highlighter, take out your highlighter. Please, please, please highlight the word justify your answer. Okay? In Malay, harimau Melaya telah dikelaskan sebagai spesies yang terancam dan dilindungi di bawah Akta Pemeliharaan Hidupan Liar 2010. Antara langkah 1 and 2, yang manakah dapat membantu mengawal populasi harimau Melaya? Wajarkan pilihan anda. Okay, now. Look at the marks. Teacher have 2 marks. Bagaimana teacher boleh dapatkan 2 markah? How to get 2 marks? Apa yang teacher kena letak to get 2 marks? 2 answer. Okay, what is the 2 answer? What is the 2 answer? Satu kaedah, satu huraian. Okay, actually they never say kaedah, langkah. Okay, so number 1, state the langkah. Choose the method 1 or method 2. Kan? Kita kena pilih, right? Which of the method? So, method 1 or method 2. That's number 1. And kaedah and huraian. Not really a huraian. You need to justify. Justify means wajarkan. Okay, you need to justify. Justify means why you chose that method. Kenapa pelajar pilih langkah tersebut? Okay, so untuk menjaga, untuk melindungi, untuk membantu mengawal populasi harimau Melaya, we need zoo ataupun kita memerlukan taman negara. Kita memerlukan zoo ataupun kita memerlukan taman negara. Which one? Kita memerlukan taman negara. Okay. Justify your answer. Wajarkan kenapa kita memerlukan taman negara. Why we have to have taman negara? Why? Justify for me. Kenapa kita memerlukan taman negara? Kenapa bukan zoo? What taman negara can give that zoo cannot give? Think about it and tell me. What taman negara can give that zoo cannot give? Animal get to live freely. Okay, teacher, just write it down. Later I will show you the connection. Animals get to live freely. Apa lagi? Sama? Lagi. Give me some answers. Taman negara can give the Malayan tiger its original habitat. Okay, lagi? Habitat asal. Apa lagi? Habitat asal, the animal is free. Think about it. Itu je ke? Okay, teacher will just take this too. Now, I want to ask, the question says, Harimau Malaya ni, the species terancam, right? So, species terancam means they are almost endangered and they need protection. Betul? Melalui penguasaan undang-undang. Wait, Naveen, I'm coming back to that. Okay. Now, if you say animals get to live freely, how this answer can solve this problem? How? Bagaimana jawapan ini boleh membantu menyelesaikan masalah spesies terancam? Think about it. If you tell me, kita boleh bagi habitat asal untuk harimau Malaya, by providing the habitat asal, how can we solve this endangering species problem? How are we solving the species terancam problem? How? How? Langkah satu, kerana harimau Malaya tidak harus memburu makanan yang dapat dilindungi oleh pekerja-pekerja di zoo. Sama? Dia mempunyai kawasan raya yang luas dan mengambil semua makanan yang mencuri tambah gambar manusia. Okay, alright, now I'm getting the answer. Betul. Shaura's answer is also correct. Naveen's answer is also correct. Doesn't matter. Kalau student nak bagi zoo, also can. If student want to give me Taman Negara, also boleh. Okay, tak kisah. You already get 1 mark there. But the problem is, how are you going to justify your answer? Bagaimana pelajar nak wajarkan jawapan tersebut? Okay, kalau student choose answers like Shaura's answer, zoo. Okay, untuk zoo is more like X situ, right? Okay, kalau X situ, we can keep the harimau Malaya dalam zoo. That means kita boleh menjaga harimau tersebut supaya tidak diburu, and then the pekerja-pekerja over there, they can take care of the animals, boleh bagi ubat in case the harimau Malaya sakit. Okay, zoo also can. Justify your answer. Okay, kalau pelajar want to choose apa tu? taman negara pun boleh. Taman negara is more like a in situ conservation. Okay? Di dalam taman negara, habitat tersebut adalah luas. Kalau luas, the Malayan tiger can live freely, and then it can breed, boleh ada proses pembiakan, and then it can hunt naturally, and it is also protected as well. So tak kisah you want to do method 1 ataupun method 2, it's still okay, but student need to justify the answer. Okay, so teacher will give you one sample. Okay, I will give you for zoo, then the rest you guys can do it yourself. Okay. Langkah method, okay. Langkah 1, kerana melalui pemeliharaan ex situ, kita boleh memberi perlindungan penuh. Perlindungan penuh means like a complete protection daripada pemburuan haram dan memantau, that means you check kesihatan haiwan tersebut dengan teliti. Okay, actually you can give more answers, but teacher just stop until here. So when pelajar said langkah pertama, you get 1 mark, and kita boleh memberi perlindungan penuh daripada pemburuan haram. This is actually already 1 mark, but you are continuing with another one. So you already get 1 mark here. So you get 2 marks. Okay, this is your langkah, and this is how you wajarkan. You are justifying your answer. Like you are stating what is the kelebihan. Kenapa langkah pertama? So you have so many. Kita boleh mengadakan program pembiakan dalam kurungan, captive breeding, perlindungan penuh daripada pemburu haram, pemantauan kesihatan, pembiakan terkawal, so that you can control the bilangan populasi. There's so many things. Okay, ini adalah untuk zoo, ex situ. Okay, if student want to do for pemeliharaan in situ, justify the answer. Why you go for pemeliharaan, not pemeliharaan, why you go for in situ? Then you can say because habitat yang luas, habitat semula jadi, sumber makanan yang mencukupi, ruang untuk harimau berkeliaran, membiak secara semula jadi, apa lagi, perlindungan daripada pemburuan haram, all these kind of things. Okay, so doesn't matter langkah 1 ataupun langkah 2, but you will only get the marks daripada cara kita wajarkan the jawapan. Faham? Understand? Understand or not? Okay, alright, come. We do one last question for the day. Easy one. Over here. Sangat-sangat senang. Okay. We have vertebrates, berbulu, tidak berbulu, bersayap, tidak bersayap, with feathers, no feathers, dry skin, kulit kering, and moist skin, kulit lembat. So we go one by one. Okay, A, vertebrates yang berbulu. Which one is it? Vertebrates berbulu. Which one is it? A. Burung, katak, monkey, and penyu. C ya? No. I mean, yang ini, this one. Haiwan apa? Burung ke, frog, monkey, or penyu? Which one is it? A. Exactly. Okay, this one is A ya, berbulu. Okay, now, tidak berbulu, but they have sayap, has feathers. B. So, which one bersayap? Easy. Burung. Okay. Anda tidak bersayap, siapa yang ada dry skin? Kulit kering. Kulit kering. Kulit kering. Katak kulit kering ke? Penyu. Penyu is kulit kering. Katak is moist skin. Okay? That's all. Settle. Okay, students. Teacher will see you probably next week. So this is what I want you to do. Actually, kita dah habis revision untuk bab 1. When your friends come in, kita akan buat bab 2. Okay. But this one, question untuk yang ni, I want you to do it as your homework. Okay. Lepas kelas habis, just duduk, do it, look at the question for 5 minutes, spend 10 minutes and do this as your homework. Habiskan yang ni as your homework. And then send it to me. When I say send it to me, make sure you send it to me. Okay? Alright, so these are the one that kita bincang just now. You guys can download it. If you tak sempat to screenshot just now, you can just download it. Make sure send me the homework for this page. Next week, when the rest comes to class, then we can buat your revision for ecosystem. Alright, that's all. Have a good day. Thank you for attending the class. See you guys next week. Bye, children. Bye-bye. Thank you. Welcome.